part 2 of Montessori at home, setting up a multi-aged environment. In our first video, we discussed the importance of setting up the bottom shelves for the younger children, and as we move through the shelves, the age gets older. So to take you through this shelf, to my left, we've got the nesting dolls. Those are great little activities for in and out and putting things in, so great for the younger children. We've also got a magnifying glass with some animals or objects of interest. We've got a book and also a little magnet fishing game. As we move to the second shelf, we've got quite a few language activities with cards. Now, something like this is really easy for you to set up at home. It's a DIY activity. You've got the matching, as you can see, we've got sea animals, and some of them have the labels, and then you could also have the items without the labels. So then the children will find it as a matching activity and also then find the labels. So this is something you can print off and laminate at home with a tray and a basket. It's quite a great DIY activity. We've then got some opposites, and at the end we've got some flags. That again is a matching activity, and also language, so to learn about different flags and continents. Up the top on the top shelf, we've just got a tray of sea animals. So again, that same theme is happening throughout this shelf. And then we've also got a little sea animal puzzle. Coming to my left, we've got this lovely art station. So we've got some craft activities here for the children. At the bottom, we've got some coloured pencils with a tray with some post-it notes. And then we've created this little activity centre. So in this centre, you can lay out all the different cardboards and colours. Up the top, I'll just bring it down so you can see. We've got some cutting strips in the middle. We've got some pasting activities on the left here, some threading, some stamps up the top. And on the side, we've got all the sticky tape and glue. Now, this is a great little organisation station, and the children then have access to all of these art materials and activities. If you are worried about the scissors for the younger children, you can always keep this aside and keep it in a separate space. As we move to the right side, as you can see, we've actually set up some activities on the floor. So if you don't have extra shelves, and I know sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find shelves that are appropriate, you can always set up the activities on the floor. So for our youngest child in this space, we've got a little truck puzzle, we've got a couple of vehicles, so all different types of vehicles in a basket, and some books that are associated with that activity. We've also got a lockbox. This is a fantastic opening and closing activity. And in the corner, we've got a little tracker and a brown stair. Now, as you can see, they're all just laid out on the floor, and that's perfectly okay. We've also got a little image that's quite lower down, so at the child's eye level. As you can see, in a space like this, it's really important and it's a great idea to keep everything nicely displayed, decluttered, and also quite inviting for the child. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Until next week.